cryptic kid, whatever you want to call me. And it's another bad storm in Glasgow, Kentucky. This is the largest it's got to the house. It's about 7 steps away. Last time it was 9. Look at that. It's insane. We put canoes or kayaks, I think, under the camper, and they're about to wash away. You see that? It's insane. This is probably the worst storm in Glasgow, Kentucky yet. June 28th, is it? And we had a fireplace down there, and now it is entirely gone. It is washed away. This is the South Fork of Beaver Creek. Owen's broadcast. It is bad. Our neighbors contacted my mom and said, your house is about to float away. We thought they were just kidding, but looks like they're pretty accurate. You see that distance away from the water and my house. This is my mom's swing. It is now like almost submerged. There's my rope swing. And if someone walked into that brown water, you'll wash away. If you walk into this clear water, there's about no current in it. But if you walk into that brown water, you will be fully submerged. Not fully submerged. The current will be strong and it will be kicking and it will take you away there. Just come to this little fault over here, and it never really pulls up over there, but now it is pulled up really badly. Try to do that now. It has never got to that bush before, and now it is at the bush. This is insane. He's coming through that drain. Last time this happened, it was getting to our camper, and my dad got scared, so he got his truck. He got down there and he was moving the camper, but then his truck got stuck while he's doing that. So we had to call 5 other people with ginormous trucks. It's insane. Yeah. And over there, if you go down New Salem, there was a ginormous fire. I don't know if it's still going. You may be able to still see the smoke, but let me come over here and see. It was absolutely ginormous. You can see the smoke still coming. That is insane. I think the smoke is, in fact, spreading to other places in the fire. It is a big storm and a ginormous fire. And it's a Sunday. Looks like our lucks are being bad. Go to church, have a good time and stuff, and then you come home, your house is almost flooded, and there's a fire about a mile away. That is just insane. You know, when the neighbors' cars come out of the bank or their driveway, you know it's going to be bad. Their driveway is almost like submerged now, I bet. We just got home from church. This is bad. I have no idea what we're going to do. You see that? Looks like I won't have to pick up no sticks. They'll all wash away. I moved this ginormous 60-pound log over over there. Right there. And it just floated down the river. Yeah? Cryptic Kid.
YouTube channel.
Subscribe.
Oh, subscribe.
Yeah.
What's up, Greg Smith? Hey, Secretary, how's it going?
Yeah, that is fully submerged. My little bow target there is about to like float away, and this is bad. I don't know what we're going to do. Hope this quality footage is good. I'm not filming it on my iPad. I'm filming it on a phone, iPhone 8 I got. It's pretty good. 65 megs or whatever. Gosh. That is bad. That flagpole is about to get like washed away. And the weird thing is that this comes in a few hours and you can just stand in the middle of the yard and it will just drain. Like if someone pulled a plug or something, it will just drain in like an hour. It's insane. Like, I don't think I've ever seen it that bad. We drove back there because there's houses back there. We drove back there, and this house, like, it was almost flooded. It was like 10 feet away from their house. It was insane. And then I was like, you know what that means. And I knew this was going to happen because it's been raining for like a day straight. Hope you guys like the content, like and subscribe. Press that bell, please. Ding, ding. And we'll just film this for a little bit more. This is bad. This is the house. And coming all the way over here, you can already see the water. Let me see how much steps it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 7, yeah. That's insane. Yeah, our camper is about underwater. Not underwater, but like the wheels, you know. And we had a bunny nest right over here. And it's bad. There it goes. Live. This is bad. It is getting higher as we speak here. And let me show you guys the little drainage system. We made a drainage system down there, but it didn't really work. Okay, so need to come down here to show the sewage system. Not sewage system, but whatever it's called. There's this little tube thing that is broken, and when it rains a very lot, it starts spraying out like that. It is bad. And then here's the little water place over here. As you can see, it drains all the way from the end of the creek there. There's my mom. At the end of the creek, all the way down there. It's just insane. It's growing bigger as we speak. Oh my. I've never seen it get this high. I don't think it's ever been this high before. Since we've lived here. We've lived here for 2 years now. It's big. See, it came all the way out of the bank. It submerged some of my targets I shoot at. That is bad. That is really bad. It's about to get to our neighbor's garden down there.
But it goes up faster.
Yeah. It's my dad. He's live streaming on Facebook. Wow. We're about to wrap it up. If you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, please. Ding, ding. Look at that. That's just ginormous. See, we had a little bunny nest over here, and it's like, I bet it's gone. Yeah, it was right there. You see that? It's about, if it's not gone already. Yeah, we got about 5 bunnies. Something's in that shed. No, that's the water hitting in the shed. You hear that? That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if we will, but we may make another video of this ginormous mess. We may make another video now. Let's see what my dad's going to do with this walking stick. Here you go, Dad.
Our bow target. There we go. That was the high mark.
So what are we going to do if it hits this mark? What are we going to do if it hits this mark?
Anyway, he's not on Facebook. Just on YouTube. He's got a YouTube channel. Say hi.
Subscribe to Cryptic Kid.
Subscribe to Cryptic Kid. He likes to hunt Bigfoot.
I don't just
Hey,
do
well, I
that.
guess it's like, what would be in this thing? Like the Kraken or something?
I don't know.
The Kraken.
No, nothing.
Nothing. Hey, we put out a fire over here. Like,
I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah, here's my mom. She's her boots on. Yeah, it's insane. Water's getting big, and it's golly. We're going to wrap it up. Subscribe and like. Hit the notification bell. And bye.